Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So today I have a what I eat in a week video. I just basically took parts of my week and filmed what I kind of eat and to maintain and basically lose my weight. I just want to put a disclaimer that I'm not a dietitian or nutritionist or anything like that. I just basically done some research to see what works on my body type and stuff like that. So I would definitely do my research on what kind of meal plans you guys should go on if your body type is different from mine, but this is what works for me and hopefully it will work out for you guys as well. Besides that, you guys been wanting to see this video, so I went ahead and filmed it for you, but I am really bad at vlogging, so the clips are kind of all over the place and they're kind of messy, so just bear with me on that. I will hopefully get better in the future, but this is my first kind of like vlog style videos. So yeah, other than that, I do want to tell you guys that with my meals and stuff, this is what I kind of eat, but it's not what I always eat. Some days I kind of eat just really plain things. I showed you guys more fun meals this week, but again, like I said, I eat some really plain meals as well, and I do throw in some cheat days. I did mention this in some of my other videos, but I want to mention it again. With my diet, I saw that I should be eating low carb, high carb things. So I do throw in some cheat days on weekends. Mostly I kind of just have my cheat days and I kind of eat whatever, but I eat it in moderation. My family and I will make some like noodle dishes or some fried things and I would still eat it, but I just won't eat a lot of it. And I feel like my diet has definitely changed a lot to the point where my appetite has changed as well. So I'm not as hungry and I do get full easier. So I definitely want to let you guys know that too. So if you want to eat like a pizza over the weekend or anything like that, go ahead and do it, but just in moderation. So yeah, I just wanted to throw that in there because a lot of people think that I eat 100% healthy, but I don't. I do have my cheat days, but I noticed that I am still able to maintain my weight and all of that too. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say. Other than that, let's just go ahead and get right into the video. So most mornings I actually don't eat breakfast because I either wake up too late and I feel like it's too close to lunch to eat anything anyways. But when I do wake up early to work out and stuff, like this morning I decided to go for a run and it's only 8:30 almost. So I did make a little protein breakfast for my after run, and I'll show you guys how it looks like. Basically just have apple cider vinegar with water and lemon, and I only do like half a cup, so I usually just chug half of it right when I cook and then I'll chug the rest of it before I eat. And then I just have my water, and then here I have my little protein thing. Yeah, sorry for all the noise, I'm outside right now, but this little protein thing just has like a healthy wheat bread on the bottom, and then it has eggs, cheese, and turkey, and then, well, the eggs is egg whites, and then I have tomato, lettuce, and a little bit of sriracha, and then the spread on it is hummus and avocado mixed together. But yeah, that's usually just what I eat. I usually just eat like egg whites and probably avocado, but this morning I decided to make a sandwich. So yeah, so I'm just gonna journal out here and enjoy this. So for today's lunch, I made kind of like a healthier pho kind of soup because the family is gonna be eating some instant pho. So I basically just used zucchini noodles, and then I cut up some mushroom and used some fat-free beef broth, and then I just went ahead and boiled that all together and then added some egg whites, and then I just topped it off with some mint and some chili, of course, and some fried onions, and then you can basically add whatever you want to it, but it's just a like vegetable low calorie pho. I just want to show you guys basically what I eat versus what the family eats. So as you can see here, this is like a healthier mac and cheese, and then what the family eats. So it's just cauliflower and like this keto style. I'm not doing keto, but I do eat some keto recipes just because it's simpler than eating a high carb meal. So I just did cauliflower, and then I'll leave the recipe for this on the screen, and then I just added some chicken in there as well, and I just seasoned it a little bit with salt and pepper. So yeah, that's usually what I eat, and I usually just see what the family eats and I just make like a healthier alternative. Some mornings I wake up early and do a little outdoor workout here, and today I decided to FaceTime my friends and do a little workout session with them, so that's what you're seeing here. So some mornings I wake up really early and just work out, and then I just do a little protein powder if I don't feel like eating or if I don't have time to eat. So I just kind of fill it to like the 8-ounce, and then I just use this stuff. I kind of just use whatever, and then I put a little bit of this PBFit in there as well. For my protein shakes, I do try to chug the whole thing as fast as I can, as you can see that I'm doing here. Here's a more simple lunch that I just put together really quick. So I love doing lettuce wraps, as you guys can see in basically all of my meals. So I just have lettuce wraps, and then I have some deli meat, and then some cheese and a pickle and some hummus so I can spread on it. I do like honey mustard, but I don't know where that is. And then I also have my coconut water that I put chia seeds in there, and I basically just eat that for lunch. And then other veggies as well, like corn and mixed vegetables, just depending on how hungry I am. Again, this morning I just had a protein shake, so my lunch is a little bigger than usual, I guess. But yeah, that's just something super easy that you can whip up together, but it's actually really fulfilling and healthy. So tonight's dinner, I have lettuce wraps. I just made some chicken with mixed veggies. Again, I'll leave the recipe for you guys. I just kind of throw a bunch of vegetables and meat together, and then I just have lettuce here and some sliced apples. So for tomorrow's breakfast, I actually made like a little overnight oat, but I ended up waking up pretty late and I just had it as a snack, which I will show you guys later in the video. But I'm basically just preparing this overnight oat that I learned how to make on Pinterest, which again, I will link every single recipe that I found online down below for you guys as well. For today's lunch, I went ahead and prepared a sandwich. So I just have this thin whole wheat bread that I got from Costco, and then I just spread some hummus and avocado on it, and I put some deli meat on it with some lettuce and onions and cheese, and that's basically all I ate. And then I just had some side vegetables and some sweet potato fries with it. And then here I am just working and eating that overnight oat that I made the night before, and I do snack here and there, but not too much throughout the week. So for tonight's dinner, I'm gonna be making like a healthy chicken cauliflower Alfredo. My sister's making a regular chicken Alfredo for the family, so this is what I mean when I say I kind of just make whatever the family's making, so that I kind of have a feel of me basically eating the same stuff and I don't look at theirs and obviously want it. So I just make something healthier and something that is comparable to it, but a healthier option. So right now I just cut up all my veggies, and then I'm gonna go ahead and probably saute that and pan fry it with chicken, and then later on I will go ahead and make the sauce. I'm not really gonna show you guys how to make the sauce and all that because I don't want this to be like a cooking video, but more of just what I eat and stuff like that. So I will just post the recipe down below for you guys where I got it from. But yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks like in just a bit. And also me makes this into a cooking video. But anyways, I am just chopping up the veggies that I showed you guys, and then I just kind of roughly cut the mushrooms because I wasn't sure how I wanted them, and plus I'm the only one eating this anyways. But I just went ahead and chopped up the onions and the bell peppers, and then here I'm just cooking up the chicken, but I'm also bringing my cauliflower to a boil so that they are soft when I blend them. Now I'm just preparing the sauce, and again, all of the recipes will be listed down below. And then here's how the Alfredo turned out. Of course, it looks not that great, but it was actually really delicious. Alright you guys, that completes the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any other questions about like my meals and whatnot, and if you guys want to see like my workouts and stuff, definitely like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see, and yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.